How can we breathe more nature into our exterior and interior architecture? Enter green walls. They are beautiful, healthy, and the benefits far outweigh the costs and maintenance. And how do we make this an aesthetic part of our interior decor? The answer is floral art. I'm Monica Khosla Bhargav, founder and principal architect of Kham Consultants, an architecture and interior design firm. What you may not know is that I'm also a floral artist and a national judge certified to judge international floral events. For this, I have to thank Kavita Poddar of Pushpabitan Friendship Society India, Valerie Best of NAFAS UK, and all the national and international masters who taught and encouraged me to pursue this hobby. Before I demonstrate how to create an indoor green wall as part of your decor, let's learn more about its benefits and how it can help you. Firstly, it significantly improves the quality of indoor air. We all know that plants absorb the carbon dioxide exhaled by us and convert it to oxygen. Having a living plant wall at home contributes to the absorption of the carbon emissions as well as filters the toxins in the air. This means less eye irritation, fewer headaches, reduced illness, and overall a healthier environment for you and your family. Secondly, a live green wall acts as a thermal sink. The plants absorb the sunlight, thereby cooling the air. This helps you to save on your air conditioning bill. Outdoor green walls on the exterior of your building are especially useful in reducing the heat island effect caused by dense construction, roads, and vehicles in the city. I love combining the interior green decor wall with an outdoor wall as a rehab nursery for the indoor plants. Do watch my video on Terramin Corporate Office to check how I've done this. Thirdly, green walls help to reduce noise levels in a space. Sound vibrations are absorbed by the plant leaves rather than being reflected back in the room. This reduces the reverberation of sound, making the space more quiet. It holds good for exterior walls as well, making plant walls an artistic and effective sound barrier. Fourthly, plant walls add energy, softness, and a sense of calm to the space. They impact your mood and create a harmonious environment at home. When used in a workplace, they increase productivity. Lastly, they are an affordable way of adding to your decor. And if you go one step further and design them like a piece of wall art, they add to the aesthetic value of your space. Now that you know the benefits, I'm sure you're planning to put one up at your place. Plants need sunlight to survive. Even indoor plants need some quantum of light to remain healthy. So locate your plant wall in that part of the house which gets a little more natural light. The design in a green wall is created by the variety of indoor plants used. Now, all indoor plants cannot be used in a green wall because remember, we are dealing with smaller containers and less soil. Also, the foliage needs to be fuller so as to be able to cover the plant holders or the mechanics. So what I've done is to list all the plants that we can use in a green wall along with their common and scientific names in the description box below for you to refer when you create your wall. And if you think that this is going to be useful for you, then press the like button and show your support to the design community. Let's start with the structure or the mechanics that we need to use. A variety of these are available depending upon the application. The one I generally use is this, and as a base, I paint the wall the same color as the structure. For a good design, the aim should always be that these plant holders or structures are not visible. The challenge lies in concealing the edges. I usually add a fin on the sides to hide the mechanics. Coming to the preparation of the soil, use a combination of vermicompost, coco peat, neem oil cakes and bone meal to create a lightweight medium for growing the plants. Garden soil is usually avoided as it becomes very heavy. While the touch of green always looks good, if you wish to create it as a piece of wall art, then you need to keep 3 basic elements of design in your mind: the color of the foliage, its texture, and the line that is created in the design. It is by contrasting these that the final effect is achieved. And for festive days, you can add to it flowers or colored accessories that accentuate your decor. So go ahead and add a living art piece to your home with a plant wall. It will not just add a touch of green to your life, but be your contribution in helping to offset your carbon footprint and improving the environment. I also hope to encourage floral artists with this video to take up green wall art as a genre of floral design. This shall expand their expertise to working with living plants. Should you have any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comment box below. And if this video has inspired you to be a part of the Go Green revolution, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button.